If you're new to Planning Analytics on Cloud or migrating from TM1, you've probably heard about these two main interfaces, Planning Analytics Workspace or PAW and Planning Analytics for Excel or PAfE. Or you might be familiar with one of them and have questions which one you should use. What's the difference and what are the similarities? Hi, my name is Adam from Aramar Solutions, and in this video, I will try to break down similarities and differences. First, the similarities. One, they both share sources, which is TM1 database engine. Regardless of the UI you access, the data will be live and consistent across both. Two, unified user experience. They share common components such as set editor, MDX queries, cube views. If you know how to operate one, you will know how to do it in the other. Three, collaboration. You can save views in one user interface and it will be accessible in the other. Now the differences. The main differences: PAW is 100% web-based tool and PAfE is a local Excel add-in. To access PAW, all you need is your internet browser. And for PAfE, you need to install and activate Excel add-ins. Both have distinct and crossover functionality. PAW is mainly a database, modeling, administration, and dashboarding tool. You can build a more complex visualization and application in PAW compared to PAfE. PAW has a wow factor that can impress its user, and it's also infused with IBM latest AI engine. PAfE was built for detailed and high formatted type reporting. It has many features to handle complex ad hoc analysis. PAfE works well with Excel. You can combine Excel formula together with Planning Analytics datasets. So which one you should use? It depends on what activity you do. Well, I recommend using both. You can use PAW to create KPI dashboard, build application, and administrative tasks, and PAfE for deep data analysis. These two complement each other. So if you want to try Planning Analytics or request a live demo, I included the IBM page link in the description below, or you can contact us. If you already use either PAW or PAfE, let me know which interface you prefer in the comments. That's all from me. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Planning Analytics on Cloud content.